Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So this is another lesson to learn Spanish, and in this lesson we are going to talk about the basic greetings and salutations in Spanish. So starting here, in greetings in Spanish language. So this video is going to be important to learn about how do Spanish people greet each other. So there are different ways to greet. I'm going to write all the possible ways. You just need to focus on the pronunciation. So the first greeting is hola. Any guesses what does it mean? Right. It means hello. Hola. Here you need to focus there. It's not hola. It's hola. H is silent most of the time for any word starting with H. Hola. Buenos días. Hola, buenos días. Hello, good morning. Hola, buenos días. Or good afternoon, you can say buenas tardes. Hola, buenos días. You need to focus on the pronunciation. I'm going to repeat. Hola, hola, hello. Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días. Usually, when Spanish people speak, there is not much gap. They just speak two words together. Buenos días. Buenos días. And then we have buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. So here you need to focus. It's buenos and it's buenas. And for good evening and good night, they have only one word. That is buenas noches. Buenas noches. So this is how Spanish people greet each other. Hola, buenos días. And the other person will also reply, hola, buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. It means good afternoon, and it means good evening, or it can be good night also. Right? So this is how they greet. I will repeat one more time. You can just pause the video and repeat after me. Hola, hola, buenos días. Repeat. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Repeat. Buenas tardes. And then buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Very good. Muy bien. And now we are going to learn how do Spanish people say goodbye. Theo, or saying goodbye in Spanish. There are again different ways of saying goodbye. The exact word to say goodbye is adios. But usually it's Spanish people don't prefer to say adios because it means just like bye forever. So they prefer other words. And what are those other words? Here we go. Hasta luego. The most common word in Spanish language is hasta luego. It means see you later. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Hasta después. Hasta después. means see you after. Hasta la próxima also means see you soon. And this word you must be knowing, very, very famous. Hasta la vista. Until next time. And hasta mañana. Hasta nunca. See you tomorrow. You never. All right, now I don't want to see you. Never see you. Right? All right, so let's work on the pronunciation. Adios. So I have put an accent here so that it means that you need to give a little bit more stress on this word, right? Hasta adios, adios, adios. And again, H is silent. Hasta luego, see you later. Hasta luego, hasta pronto, see you soon. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Hasta después. Hasta después means see you after. Hasta la próxima, see you soon. Hasta la vista, until next time. Hasta la vista, hasta mañana, see you tomorrow. Hasta nunca, see you never. It's very rare that someone would say this word, see you never. So the most common words are hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta mañana. Hasta luego, see you later. Again, I'm going to repeat the pronunciation. Adiós, hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta después, hasta la próxima, hasta la vista, hasta mañana, hasta nunca. Some people also say this word called chao. Chao means goodbye, usually in Spanish. So it's a very common word. The pronunciation is chao. Chao.
Ciao. Ciao.
Okay, let me write. How do we write this word? C-H-A-U. Chao.
Ciao. Ciao.
I hope. So in this lesson, we have learned how to greet someone in Spanish. Hola, hello. Buenos días, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good evening or good night. And then how do we see off? How do we say goodbye? Adios, bye, chao, bye, hasta luego, see you later, hasta pronto, see you soon, hasta después, see you after, hasta la próxima, see you soon, hasta la vista, until next time, hasta mañana, see you tomorrow, hasta nunca, see you never. Thank you very much. I really hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to publish a series of videos. These videos are going to be really helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give like, thumbs up, and comment below on the comment section. Thank you very much. Hasta luego. Adios. Adios.